In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of your boost meter to match your team color here in Rocket League quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, one easy way to tell what team you're on in Rocket League is by changing your boost meter so it matches your team color. Now, by default, your boost meter might even stay the same color, but you can actually enable a setting that automatically changes it to like blue when you're on the blue team or orange whenever you're on the orange team. To do this, go ahead and open up your settings by selecting settings. And once you're in your settings tab, go ahead and navigate over to the interface tab up at the very top. Scroll down and you're going to see a team colored boost meter option. Just enable it, like mine's already enabled, just like so. And you can also enable force default team colors if you do want like the standard blue and orange colors in private or club matches. You don't have to have that on as well. It is convenient to have on though. Additionally, if you have trouble distinguishing colors, you could turn on colorblind mode in this exact same section as well, which is going to make that blue and orange tones a lot more vibrant and easier to see. But that is it. Your boost meter is going to now change based on your team. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them that in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.